Welcome back to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish and I do trouble. Today we are going to get in trouble with lashes.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past.
Alright, so like I said, we are getting into trouble with lashes. However, not my lashes. Let me explain. I do sell my own brand of lashes on Instagram. It is at Lund Beauty. But today we are using different lashes. And we are using these lashes from CxC because they have a very thin band. And they're very flexible. And usually they are the easiest to apply. At least they were for me to learn on. So we are going to do a good old-fashioned tutorial. Now, when I say tutorial, what I mean is we are going to do the best to not poke our own eyes out with our tweezers like we did the other day. Okay? But somebody asked me, or somebody made a comment on one of my posts about not being comfortable with lashes, and they have a hard time getting the band right up to their lid, and you know, so I'm going to show you how I do it. That is not to say that this is the correct way. I'm just saying this is how it's easiest for me. Okay, so first things first, we are going to take the lash and I am going to put it up to my eye. Now, it is too big. So here, so I'm going to take this much off. So I'm going to cut it right here and cut that much off of it so that it fits my eye better. Some people don't have to do this and some people do. My sister, Tawana, she has got these gorgeous big brown eyes, and she's got all of the real estate for not just lashes, but for eyeshadow as well. I'm going to put that up to my eye again, and that looks like it is going to fit. So I'm going to take my eyelash glue, and I'm going to put my eyelash around it. And I'm pretty sure not everybody does that, but I feel it helps to kind of train the lash into the position I want it to be in. Alright, and then I'm going to take the second lash and do the same thing. Now, I already know how these lashes fit on me for the most part, so it is very easy for me to know where I need to cut them. Alright, I'm going to take my tweezers and I am going to take my lash glue and run it just along the band. I'm going to let that dry out a bit. We're going to zoom in so I can show you what I am doing. Okay, hopefully this is close enough. I'm going to have my mirror pointed up at me. I'm going to look down in the mirror at an angle, and I'm going to put the front where I want it. And I'm going to put it on the lash and scoot the band up to my eyelid. So it was on the lash. And now it is on the eyelid. And while that one is kind of setting up, I'm going to apply the other one. This is the one I always have the most problems with. So we are putting our eyelash glue on the band. All right. I set it on the lash. Oh, it doesn't want to let go. Awesome. And you just kind of go back and forth, placing it where you want it. Hopefully I'm getting this in frame, and hopefully this is going to help somebody. Okay, so now we're going to go back over to this side. And when I pinch my lashes together, I pinch them and I pull out with my thumb. I pull the lashes, my lashes out with my thumb and push the fake lash in. So I'm doing this with my fingers. So I'm pulling the bottom lash out, the actual lash, my lash. I'm pulling that out and pushing the fake lash in. Okay, so I have those on, and the band, especially because it's a very thin band, is barely visible. And now I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to do this, but I do it. I then take a nice dark mascara, and right along where my actual lashes are, I apply the mascara. Okay, and for me that helps to feel like I've hidden the lashes or incorporated the lashes into the fake lashes. And then I take, an extra spoolie. Kind of do like so. And then I take my mascara with the smaller wand and put on my mascara on my lower lash. And I always make a mess. But I will hide that mess with my eyeshadow when I put it underneath, which I probably should have put underneath before I put the mascara on, but whatever. So that is how I put on lashes. You can also take a liquid liner and put it right along here, along the lash line. I don't normally do that because I'm not good at it. But I can also take this gel eyeliner and do my tight line. And it kind of helps to hide that a little bit better. You probably couldn't see that because I need the mirror right up close so I can see my face. Okay, so anyways, that is how I apply my lashes. I hope this helps somebody. I hope you were able to see what I was trying to show you. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat.